to another day of unboxing the Beatles Advent Calendar. We're on day 19. We're almost done. And I do realize that there was I think it was day 16, that my dyslexic ass pointed to the 19 instead of the 16. So part of me was like, maybe I'll just troll and point to the 16 this time. But no, today is actually 19. So let's go ahead and see what's in this itty bitty little box. Because I'm curious. What have we got? It's hard, whatever it is. Magnet? Keychain? Not sure. Let's find out. I'm thinking magnet. It is, okay. Aww! Look at it. It's a little Beatles for sale one. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's really adorable. And that's so funny, because, like, of the ones that I made out of those, like, Beatles trading cards years ago, I had made a Help one, I made a Beatles for sale one, I made an Abbey Road one, and a Let It Be one. So I'm like, all we're missing now is Let It Be, and it will perfectly match the ones I made in 8th grade back in the 90s. That's too funny, but I kind of love it, not gonna lie. Especially because these are, like, proper magnets and not just, like, little trading cards that have faded in sunlight. Although this one almost looks faded from the get-go, like, kind of washed out, like how mine is already. I should, like, do a comparison side by side at the end if the other one does match up, although the others are obviously bigger, they're trading card size, but still, that's just too funny. That's too funny, but I love it. So, anyway, that's what was in day 19. So, anyways, that's it for this one. You know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you'd like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.